Hi friends, it's me, Mr. JT, and today we are going to be learning about block printing with Styrofoam. To make this block print, also known as a relief print, you're going to need markers, some recycled Styrofoam, some paper, a brayer, something to roll your ink on like plexiglass, and last but not least, some affordable, non-toxic printmaking ink available online and at any art store. As you can see, I have deconstructed my Styrofoam so that I've got some solid shapes. I've got two big rectangles, two tiny rectangles. I'm going to show you 3 different methods that you can use this Styrofoam to make prints with. I'm going to use these tiny pieces like little monotype plates. So we're not going to carve anything into them just yet. I'm going to put my paper down and then I'm going to go ahead and get some of my markers, and I think I'm going to go with this one and this one. And the Styrofoam's surface is kind of porous and rough, so you can put ink on it and it won't dry instantly. So you can use the Styrofoam very much like a little stamp. Now, using just those 2 tiny pieces, you can see all the variety of marks that I have gotten. Now, if you want things to be a little bit more distinct, you can go back with your markers and outline and bring some details out. I'm gonna do that real quick. And boom, now you've got your first piece finished. Let's work on our next one. For this next part, you're gonna need a pen or a pencil and your next piece of Styrofoam. As I mentioned earlier, today we're making relief prints, and that is our focus. And a relief means that something has been indented into the surface or carved into the surface. So with a Styrofoam, it's got a soft, squishy surface, which is perfect for me to make marks into. Now that you have your plate all carved up, now we can ink it again with the markers and begin to print. So I'm gonna get my piece of paper, and then I'm going to just add a whole plethora of different colors here. As you can see, my stars, my squiggles, and my lines all printed really beautifully. And now I can go back and re-ink it. And now you have completed your second piece of artwork. Cool, let's move on to the third. Now I'm gonna show you something a little more advanced. I'll show you how I would carve 2 plates and print them together using a little bit nicer ink and a roller. So here's my first one with some nice flowers on it. Now I'm gonna do my second. I've got my little bug done and my little flowers. So let's print them. And you know what? So that I get some extra layers, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one with some markers too as a first layer. So with that first plate, I just created some interesting tones for my background, and I really like these colors. Now I'm gonna ink up our other 2 blocks. Look at how good that looks. Now, let's try printing our ladybug. Awesome, and here we have it. I went through and I pulled out some more details with the markers. Why don't we take a look at all of our prints now? By using these simple materials and techniques, you can have an entire art collection by the end of your afternoon. Thank you for making prints with me today. As always, my name is Mr. JT. Thank you for spending some time with the Dixon Gallery and Gardens. Bye, and I hope that you have a lovely day.